GC News, Bima Oya Akwa Addo, latest and hot music and amede and Bremo. And it so we subscribe or say over subscribe to the channel. The way I'm saying over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification when you be upload also what's ever can be. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, now feel share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone and also a Wagana memoir. Afriyie bura ye sema abeto ye punso eye sai Agyapadie book ye hu sema bi jan chese eye Odike akusi adai Odike before Afriyie papa what chese eye sa booking Akufo Addo implement about 80% eye go book no na no na wo ka kire wo tini say on shut up chese on kana no tu gra chese de Okyehene kan kwa de hye ne before gra ene akusi adai Odike what the assembly now and not to na a coupon and this people are not coming home to say or say what money quite the beer that money can yes I got and yet I yet say so I was studio hold then 10 tomorrow yes Sammy your bumping input and someone possible into
radio be Okyehene was saying and I can do now yes now oh my movie a movie I never be any question on can yes. How do you question Okyehene? I didn't question on your question Ghana for. On question Ghana for, I didn't say no correct. Or say, MPP primaries. Bawumia, Nordna, Kennedy Agyapong for Central Region. 8 Kadina Ashantis. As about Akufo Addo Yaman establishment. Bawumia. A Agyapadie document say who here will be from the north. Abem. The essence of Agyapadie document is say Nana person of Ghana said the bonafide property. Even said the retirement 10 and across one. He want to be in control of state resources and state institutions. That was the essence of it. So, now didn't I didn't tell the Dibam. So, I can't but who's one can what I'll be about Casse? What Okyehene say, Sam question any young. And I make a channel and I say, no, Metian and Numas was a young correct. But I'm present channel and I say, no correct. So, you doubt Okyehene? Now I think when you you respect what you just said, you should. I respect Okyehene, but when it comes to issues of national interest, my brother, and I am telling you the gospel truth. I am speaking the truth to power. May come out in it said it here. It's a Agyapadie document, you know. Idea be a woman be a good for implement it. Why implement it? It was in Wakadi. One of Akufo Addo and Akufo Addo about big woman was. So also the bois and Yama Mabo document in more were implementing. What's the mechanic saying no correct? What do you call Okyehene as a no can is I know. Okyehene, why are they? Okyehene, why are they? All other period in Wabem because document in numero mina no correct. Akufo Addo aye ni nyina. Jebe na wa Agyapadie document no ma Akufo Addo won implement on ka ba akoma minti. Se obi twa ntwa to so. Na ntwa no Bible say my father to so mane yewo. Ba Agyapadie document no and some of them Akufo Addo implement ni nyina. And some they will more implement it. Probably will be credit document no. They are not ready document work as mbegu papa kwesi ndu maduma. Indium bank is off. Omo ba kwabladu for this mbegu the bank. Kwabladu for bank is off. Omo bo alanche matindi wo mu say one dey so to amfate wona propose ba omo ma na nye na sorry oboam ye implement wi a umbe pam no. Ebe alanche matindi baaye no. Womu different in some command gift to any crowd at the presidency. And one they see Alanche Matene Akufo Addo ntem. Okasa umba bring Ashanti Kingdom to the knees. Numa elevate Oche Akunyano. Sasem we ma utumfo bufuyi. Emma ekoye nsem bebre. One day me danya na a graphic front page. Men shall smoke peace pipe with the government. Enumu na mukobo Asante man ba achem Emma Okyehene so bebo go fu Kumase. What are not to China? Almost say they are going to build a financial empire for Bedia Tuo Gabriel Ochidakon, so that a former finance minister
Ken
Ofori Atta. Maybe you galamsey process. Galamsey ya kwa enkono. The dia kwa enkono say na Akufo Addo ne krofo bebre ewo mu a wo mo ye adwuma no bi. I am suspecting say process of galamsey no were direct beneficiary. Anya sadia Akadebe na ya commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces. Na is over 400 million. E dia ma asojafo. Say omuntu sa dwumadi no so sa asojafo mu ko peace mission awo bebia ko succeed bebia edi tuo ekra na ekon omutimi ko settle na nkrofo galamsey fo mu kutatuo ya over 7 years yetimi stop galamsey dia. Then the commander in chief no onimudi he knows why yetimi fight galamsey yensuo ni yakwaye nyina se okay masa what they are not in China or say they are going to enter into banking sector no na create kasa banks enuntina ya banking sector clean up a good indigenous Ghanaian banks no. What they are not in China or say they will sure say Omo for Abewura Senate so that they can get hold of Eco Bank and Senate properties. So I will tell San and Sena Komobeton Nina Ubukunu. What they are not in China? What they are not in China? Or say I will say Paki Supreme Court with our favorite juries.
Yes, your favorite hole.
Huh?
Yes, your favorite hole.
Now, the book room have been kind.
Let me say your favorite hole.
Say, what Paki Supreme Court to Ama, Bukuso Paki, or so could do by 40. Go say, I've heard the whole Ghana court system now. I be say the bottom. What are you doing, China? What are you doing, China? Now, what book what's back in Canada is all working can we? May. As I'm not in the air, what are you doing, China? Or say, yeah, Coron, ye other tribe will be any. Eti, ye mass Santini Medianim, our MPP. Eti, either say, ye bepe different tribe. Now, you saw the phone say, they are involved in that decision making. Now, preferably, you be in another one, and ye will be one off. In the Padu document, will I run a Yama? Akufo Addo Yama Ken Ofori Atta. Why show? If I don't go there, you are not paying your son same way. And why Akufo Addo Yama Ken Ofori Atta told me, dear boy, and say. And here I went back on it 14 in here, when you are Matia Fanto, Apako Jaka and Anamachi, Yafa Fanto for Yaba easy ready, persuasion to Yaba Bechano, my pie. Can you be bold to go and stand in front of the team and his chiefs? What you mean was a man? They see at their own can say, said, Roman Juma, Nomuya, a comfort, or person almost sat down in Agyapadie, no more, and no man, which is not true. Agyapadie Bukuno. It's not solely about Agyapadie. It's about what? It is about destroying humanity. Which humanity? And it is a team for almost saying or more than enough. So why are you saying this? With all due respect, don't go there. An important question is Okyehene Obia on opinion. Yes. Oh, Sibukini and Okre. But who knew away? But who knew author of the book?
And I watch him say, watching him so say, somewhere Abubono edit into one tower. Yes, and you put to fire. You are making it.
Etinana or say into one tower. Dedicaro, Quasindo Madwane Goon, Ebukunum. Quasindo, why a day me patrol. Ebukunum so Bebu Quasindo Maduma. Quasindo now, or managing bank. Now, when so that bank of Ghana for no more press to say every classified bank, from a commercial bank to a savings and loans company. No, no, want to be a meeting, I'll tell you a good.
A minute,
Alpha. Offer you are better than this. Since I want to know the program, me see free Sakwan so the basic one papa so I have to have time. And you want bet you are now inquire now number for no to say what they are telling me. I know what. Maybe the way you are going, I may say, okay, come for 40 woman for 7 years, and then see now watching Angel TV. And you go because I say, if I sit there as a host, I will never allow you. You are not describing the message program. I'm telling you, son of the message program, we are not paying. See from you see me, but not meet you, and I got infuriated in the car. As a man of a 2 hour, because it is the road that NDC focus here called. No one destroy but galamsey now, the process no. Galamsey, the only amount of material. Now, galamsey, Massa, they are going to build financial empire.
For who?
Now reckon for that boy, any interest I will any galamsey process. Almost say, who may refer to galamsey process. Hey, Womushamuma, galamsey, Papa call galamsey site. And to me, oil gold mine is small scale legal, or also so or building financial empire. There must only General for Kojina, you say, okay, say, what's it? I can say, to me, illegal mining, but illegal mining. Please, that's what this also illegal mining. Now, I put him as a force, some we near dance here. You trust some who be. This is a assembly na ultra one. Akufo Addo, you may what Agyapadie book 80% were implemented at that.
And Odike by but listen to me. And listen good. Nene brubli I will say was I kiki what's another son of a 80% when you have a fanta no. Mubenya zero. Mubenya zero. Sesepa na we political advisor to Alan. I only need cabo my campaign. Mubenya zero. I'm telling you. Because me campaign I'm say anybody who will not come to Ghana with issues, how to develop Ghana, and found some Bruni and found something so pepe in found so Bawumia on the case zero. Bawumia Agyapong continue building empire. What's your mafia for? Now Bawumia MP. It's in the book, say. We don't pay paragraph. Oh, it's in the book, say. And who couldn't pay? Pay paragraph, say. Pay say, paragraph. Don't this is quotation. Paragraph say, okay. What government go to let the good to them. And if agenda banner, please rehash of old slogans. The union government being made practically it doesn't bring anything. But I respect you and your listeners. But me know be a disruptive say. But me ban me can say no for Odike bekodia. And then program
fa topic for bla me ko be.
Thank you. Any ko kasapa de me mpre ma
me pese clear
Agyapadie agenda
na Odike nam no na e tro.
E rough road pa.
O change
na me se me nua.
But book no one e troy. So what book na kai?
Oh massa.
Never. A good question because book be all kind book no. I see I want. Odike fa. Odike so one show book no. So what you kind there probably we hu ni portray one troy.
Massa.
Odike be microphone mami.
Me altar me dey dey.
Na one kind book altar the one
ya no bi akwaja ma no hu. Book no kra nya ma ya no bi ekremu ownership no.
Book no one kind.
Me say
but what you mean about you offer as a okay book no what you chronicle and some book no but author of the book the original book no there usu wuni
na say author no content no dey na matter
ni nyina matter
oboa
ni nyina matter
anya no kra
author the original book
meba
very important the content of the book
oboa
when it can book yi so what book book no dey say
union government
part of running microphone
union government
who na troy
Akoto Odike
exactly
and this is no
Agyapadie document no amahu union government
answer me that actually
exactly into where one and troy who's the author of the book document
but eno me din anyway no and change the content
you can say the movers and shakers of this country
benyeska
omu benyeska ma asemo omu beka no eno ana obi ahoga na obefa
book we na senate na osafomafo ba no ewu na
di wo mu no eni look me say onya bra niam omo chocho omo execute no one by one asosidi bebre ebi so is in progress so
wow
what's it currently 1 2 3 4 5 fifth paragraph currently with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana. We have a duty. Nana Akufo Addo, yeah. Okay. We have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabrics of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughter of Okyehene will be firmly secured and such control, both financially and economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. Now, what a year American last forward honum na media no nesi honum. The 9th paragraph, met mama soft copy, don't worry. The 9th paragraph was it although the Ashanti group within the current MPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024. It will be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-Atam person, preferably from the north. Under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project.
Interesting.
Sir, Nana time over here. Asante for boy who say take over from them.
Which is in KKD Allan.
Who say 5?
Okay.
Allan Kyeremanteng, Kwabena Agyapong, Boakye Agyarko, Adanimo, Afriyie Akoto. 5 from Ashanti region.
Okay.
Possibly a move back on a bit my winning.
Right.
Eti more modern say womu peye dwumaden na womu de atwa santefo no ho. Na womu fama obi a wonye santini non-account person. Na mom womu pe obi ofri north. Na sadi pade ba ana sa project ye womu ye ebetima ye solid womu be secure because na next time no womu ntimi wie ni nyina. Look, in this document, what who sa list here who
for records ne sa Agyapadie pie tambe e pie before
2019. 2019. Sa a year nyina companies nyina ye mining companies. We no nyina. Mining companies in Gwan 332 mining companies.
Anom de bede.
Yati to omu na ye galamsey no wuti waso omu bede.
My we.
Me na make a chiro.
Bukunim.
Bukunumu. Ya chisa ode me samaka Joseph me nitro. Ode ma me fan free eh. Ende
ma me fan check camera
Adansi South. just a district baby aye tutu nyina
so part project mama na me enhwe no yinimu na say Agyapadie kofi mi say book no mehu aba na me say ba wo hwemu the way si kwika bom na as esi so pepe so
esi oni me bra senate appointment no a bra senate appointment ni buy no na mate book no ho asem aba na mfin say yes some kind of propaganda but senate issue no buy no anti and me tie asisi all can we should choose somebody from the north whatever you know say click my dreams esi so be
because whoever wrote this crana abem.
Yes, any pakron why a prophet too. Say you will be for pa and the trust and woman with ya. Young call you nipa say Ghana.
What you have John Bodu? Abam Mami overreact, don't worry. Nipa no frɛ no ka chen say book rekita me. E to no so mfa ne de na. Overreact. Ya mfa ne de. Hwɛ banking sector.
Yeah.
The way omo ye say say you gu the indigenous banks in and you know what you no more the apps our Eco Bank or GCP bank was saying men na make catch and you know what say me so mo prania or more school nti
I know na kwesi ndum die wom no
kwesi ndum die wom ni gida wom hwe ye ka ne sen ye so obi a wa school asia de ba no wo jane na ne nkwanti ho na odi bone te be ase say wo engage ni pa no.
Hey, me who Kennedy Agyapong in
the party.
The party, okay.
Well, I heard in here the political terrain.
Okay.
Know about the party. I mean, go to baby Kitwabi. Was it the youth and women's wing of our party remain our weakest link? Every effort must therefore be made to get our national organizer to fill in the gap. Same apply to getting Owusu to assist the women's wing. Ye kwa Akoto aba 2020 unse next Owusu aja ne constituency no nam north no nam voter no nam
mano
asamu etro he enye no ana no implement. This came out 2019 so eti edina mu a Kennedy Agyapong dia wa ha sei o de me pese Sammy Oku dia wa Sammy Oku wase Sammy is a very good material with excellent political prospect. His loyalty to Nana should be acknowledged to encourage him to repeat his 2016 effort of getting the grounds to mobilize the youth. It is imperative, however, to watch his seeming rift with Kojo Kyeremanteng. His loyalty beyond the term of Nana cannot be guaranteed. Hence, he needs to go all out and prop up Kojo Kyeremanteng in a subtle way.
You say Kojo so useless, is you?
That's right.
So many
once I graft up all because of presidential ambition.
Oh,
are you getting it? Now, Brandon
Bodu. Sammy Ukua, Nidino was so chain. Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Sammy, you can't say John Bodu. It is perhaps not good to admit publicly, but his performance has been short of all past general secretaries. Going forward, we should manage the level of competence which faces us as serious political party. His actions and inactions are complete definition of wealth accumulation agenda. His what do you mean?
His embarrassing state.
Where the blatant?
His blatant involvement in galamsey.
Good. His blatant involvement in galamsey in the Wasa, if found, could be an embarrassing state of affair.
Wow.
The last report prepared by Dr. Amoakotufo affirms the fact, as well as the revelation about the monies he took from 183 candidates for government appointment.
Hey,
this is the book saying it all. It's not me. Unfortunately, his alcohol addiction and his weakness regarding women makes him hugely vulnerable.
Not according to the book.
That notwithstanding, he has a rare talent to churn out crazy ideas which yield beneficial outcomes. These are some of the things. Wárns factor.
Really?
What the Wárns is either minor parties. kwayo mbefaso amo musika LPG boom apiadoko GCPP ni de kai ka hunyina ni nyina o maka hwasem e wa hase
yo we dey for winning and samaye akwesi adai Odike and two branches say bu Afriyie papa yes Agyapadie buki eno na kofa ensem bebre na ara ampa because so and we no so we subscribe we bomodi say over subscribe so how the latest and hot news kwa na me bremo Afriyie na wa like video no na fe share ma of so na when you be here na wo ensem a ekoso also check what in comment box ni obeti mi kabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.